helped multiple plumbing and HVAC companies get hundreds of thousands of views on their videos, creating videos that took them less than 10 minutes. You've probably gotten in your head before about how long it's going to take you to create content, or not wanting to burden your CSRs or your techs to get the video camera out and start recording. Every time we've had a client video go viral, it's been a very short and sweet video, no fancy equipment, no actors hired, no need for a perfect house. We've recorded them in the back of trucks or in the shop bathroom. They're short and sweet with the most basic information. This is going to help you reach your ideal client, help them live a happier life with the little bit of information that you can give them.